You're not sure if you should buy the Revlon colorstay line creator, and I'm here to show you exactly why you probably should buy it. This is a little review on a product that I've already been using, and I just want to share my thoughts with you guys to kind of give you the insight on why I love this product. So if you'd like to stay tuned, keep watching. So this is a double-ended product. On the one side we have the Kohl line creator, and on the other side it is a liquid product. So with the liquid liner on this side, it is a long wear liquid liner. I've used it in the past and it has proven to be long wear and both waterproof, so it is definitely a product that you can go swimming with. The Kohl side that I've also used has become my fave because you can blend it out as well, so you can get that kind of smoky look. It is a product that you can also clean up easily versus the liquid liner side. That one you have to clean up as super quick as you can because once it dries down, it's on until you remove it, and you most likely have to remove it with an oil-based makeup remover. So I'm gonna just try and do a little wing for you and show you how I apply this. Hopefully I don't miss. If I've gone silent, it's because I am trying to be as precise as I can be and to show you exactly how the product works. So I'll do the Kohl liner on the one side and then I'll do the liquid liner on the other side, and you can decide which one works for you best, but I do like it because you do get the best of both worlds in terms of a liner, and it is 210 Rand online, but there are obviously some discounts if you just pop on to Takealot and Superbalist. There I have seen discounts. It is also available at places like Clicks and Discount. So the color that I'm using today is 152 Leather Craft. It's kind of like a brownish color. So just using the product, I would usually just take off some product. This is the long way side, and I would start just creating the wing first on the outside. Move my lashes down. And then I'll kind of just start by applying as I need to. Ah! Jump scare! I missed. Oh, why? That's not the liner's fault. It is my fault. And I'm looking like left eye on the right side. Pause, please. So that little mistake is making me look bad, but I'm just gonna quickly wipe it off, and I have to just apply some pressure because it is drying down. But that's how not to apply the liner. Let me just do that. So we can keep the show on the wall. So now that you've successfully messed up your liner, I'm kidding. So now that you've applied the liner, it is quite easy to apply, and once it's wet, you can still kind of play around with the liner, but like I said, when it dries down, it is a bit difficult to just get in there and clean it up. So I just take some concealer or foundation and I'll clean up underneath where I want to sharpen that line up. Because I don't clean up too much, there's not much for me to do. Sometimes if, like I can see, I've left a little bit of a spot open on the liner, so I'll just go over it again where need be. So that's kind of the liner on that side, the long wear liner. I will do the test as well underneath water so you can see. This is just kind of how I've tested this product out to make sure that it is long wear, because ultimately if you are in water or just doing anything that is either crying or sweating at the gym or swimming for any reason, you know, this liner, the long wear one, hasn't moved. It doesn't move, it just sits where it needs to sit. It is a Kohl pencil. You're not able to sharpen it. You kind of just have to use it as you go along. And it does have a slight little glitter inside. I'm not sure if you can see that on camera, but it does have a slight shimmer. It is nice and easy to use as well, and I don't roll it up that much because I don't want the pencil to break. Now I'm going to start off by cleaning my hands, making sure that there's no liner at the bottom. And the same way I do with the long way, I usually would start at the outside corner of my eye and just draw a line all the way across my lid. Liner is always so tricky to just get them at least looking like they are part of the same family. I'm just trying to kind of get it like similar to the other one, and then just using a brush if you want to kind of blur it out a little bit, just dragging it over gives you that nice shimmer look. And you can see it is kind of diffused, more like a smoky wing. Again, on the side, what I'll do is just use a little bit of foundation on the back of, well, on a sharp brush, and just kind of clean it up. So even though it's that smoky look, it still is a sharp line moving with the natural way that my eye lifts, or however I want it to be lifted. It's kind of what it looks like. So there are different styles and methods of how you can use this. This is just, I mean, I like both of them. It depends on the occasion. But today, I'm feeling the Kohl liner. If you feel like you still want to smoke it out some more, you can just apply some on the bottom and then kind of just rub it on. I don't know how this all of a sudden went from a review to how to apply smoky liner. And if you want to double up on the liner and kind of do both the smoky and the liquid, then you can do the step first and then take the liquid side and you're going to follow that line that you created. Kind of like getting the smokiness and the harder liner at the bottom, and I'm just going to clean this up. So I'm going to do the water test for you guys. So just applying the long way onto the back of my hand. I'm going to put quite a bit on, and I'll leave it to just dry down so that you're able to see that, you know, it does kind of work properly once it's underwater. So it has kind of dried down. Isn't that crazy? That is literally underwater, me rubbing it as hard as I can, and it's kind of not budging much. So now that I've given you my thoughts and expertise and messiness on this liner, I hope that it just helped you just to see how you can apply it, why I love it, why it's the bomb, basically. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. I will see you in the comment section. You can drag me for messing up the liner, that's okay. Until the next time, peace, love and happiness. Bye bye.